In this video today, I'll be showing you how to change the windshield wipers on this 2012 Toyota Prius. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this video today, I will be showing you how to change out the windshield wipers, and use the chapters below if you guys just want to hop right into that section. But I did want to talk about something you should do before you go and put on these windshield wipers. And I got this from a cool kit that came with the front and the back wipers for a really good deal, and I'll leave you guys a link. Before you go and throw these on the car, there's a couple of things that you should do. And I haven't shared this on a previous video, but a lot of people go and put new windshield wipers on the vehicle only to realize that by the end of the year, the wipers are pretty much gone. So one of the things that I like to do is use clay. So what clay does is it grabs all the impurities off the windows, and it'll do the same for your paint. It's a great item to go ahead and store in your garage. Whenever you're not using it, just put it in a glass or plastic jar with water and keep it full, and you can reuse it many times. And with the clay, what I do is I go ahead and I treat all the windows. So I'm gonna go ahead and treat all the windows really quick, and you're gonna see a lot of grime build up on the actual clay. So you want to make sure you're constantly molding the clay into a new shape so you're not scratching up the windows. And then I'm going to go and change out the wipers because it's raining like cats and dogs, and this is my first year in Texas. I want to make sure that I'm going to have a safe winter. I'm going to go and clay up this whole car, and we'll jump back into the windshield wipers, and then I'm going to give you a super pro tip. Make sure you guys have an even better experience. Stay tuned. So the clay was done, and it made all the windows nice and smooth, took out any of the ridges, and I did it around the whole vehicle. And to remove the windshield wipers, all you want to do, so if you have a windshield wiper like this with one of these covers, and once you pull that cover off, you want to just slide it down. If you've seen anybody ever do this and they crack their windshield, this is actually pretty common. So what I like to do is throw a piece of cardboard or something between the windshield and this as I'm putting this on, in case I make a mistake, it doesn't crack the windshield. And literally you could use anything. I'm just using an Amazon bag here, so in case this crashes down, less chance of this windshield actually cracking. And I'm going to go take off the other one. Same idea. We're going to go pull this cover off, and with that cover off, I'm going to put this in a upright position, and I'm just going to pull down, and this is off now. And this is where the new one's going to lock in. So again, I've put something down to protect the windshield. I got the new wiper here, and it comes with this nice protector here, which I'm not going to remove until the very end. I'm going to remove and open up this little hinge, slide that through here. With that hinge open, I'm going to go ahead and put the neck of the wiper arm in here, and I'm going to lock that in and flip this down. This is some crazy rain here. And here on the driver's side, same idea. I'm going to go ahead and open up that flip up cover, slide the hook in there, and pull it up until I hear that pop. Clip this down, and my wipers are fully installed. I'm not going to remove these green protective covers yet, as I'm going to go and make this an even better experience for driving. So this is something that I do on my own vehicles besides the clay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe those windows down clean, and for the front and rear windshields, I'm going to go and use this just because it's a lot more concentrated. And for the other windows, I'm going to just use a spray here to keep you guys posted. I'll give you guys a 2-week update at a later time so you guys can see how well this is doing, as it really does pour in Texas, and you guys will be able to judge it for yourself. So let's go and clean up those windows. So about 5 minutes later, we are completely done. We have glayed the windshield, we have Windex the windshield, and we even changed out the windshield wipers. And now I'm ready to go ahead and take these off. And sometimes they include in this freshener strip where you can go through and clean that up. If your windshield wiper kit includes it, go ahead and apply it. Put this down nice and easy, and you are all done. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. If you came from a hot weather state like California and you moved to a place like Texas where it freezes, not only do you have to watch out for your windshield wipers and treating them and making sure that you got some sort of nice sealant on the windshield to let the rain just beat off, you're going to want to pay attention to the windshield washer fluid. So this is going to be the windshield washer that's in the vehicle right now. It's a blend for summer, and it's rated for 32 degrees and above. Well, it's going to go and fall below 32 degrees here, so I need to go and use something like this RainX all season, and it's got a de-icer and a bug remover, but my windshield washer fluid is actually full, so there's no way of me putting this in. So what I have to do now is use some rubbing alcohol instead. Just pour in a small amount, and it'll keep that from freezing and cracking. You do not want that to happen. It'll end up being a very expensive repair, and you have to get underneath the vehicle. So now I'm driving, you guys can see the water is just beating off the windshield here, and I'm not having to use the wipers. This is why we took those extra steps with claying the windshield and also applying the RainX on the front and rear and putting the spray on the sides, because it's looking very, very nice. Make it a great one. Thanks again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did and you learned something, please comment down below. And if the video was not helpful, please let me know why and what I could do in the future. And if you have a Prius C, you can go ahead and check out some of my maintenance videos on how to go and do your oil changes, your brakes. I upgraded to LEDs on the exterior and interior as well. Thanks again, and I wish you guys a very safe winter. I'll leave you guys a link to the video for the rear windshield wiper as well. If you guys want to learn more about the Toyota Prius C, I have a LED headlight video, a LED interior video that will keep you on the road safer this winter, as your battery is less likely to die. Thanks again, make it a great day, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. See you again. Bye.